The other day, I'm stuck in traffic again. Playlist on repeat, cables tangled around my gear shift, and I'm trying to launch Spotify on CarPlay while my phone's balancing in the cup holder like it's a game of Jenga. One pothole, and it's game over. Later that night, I'm deep in a YouTube rabbit hole, and I found the best tech review channel in the world. You know how it goes. Clicked one video on wireless tech, and 5 recommendations later, I see this thing. The Wireless CarPlay Adapter. 2025 AI box. It looked kinda gimmicky at first, but the reviews were solid. And I figured for under $100, why not? Worst case, I return it. Best case, I finally ditch the cables for good. So basically, it's this tiny dongle that plugs into your car's USB port and instantly turns your wired CarPlay or Android Auto setup into a completely wireless experience. And not just that, it comes preloaded with Netflix and YouTube. Like actual video streaming from your dashboard. Here's what I love about it. No more cords. Like zero. It auto-connects the moment I start the car. Built-in Netflix and YouTube. It actually runs the apps. No phone mirroring needed. Huge if you ever wait in the car or have kids in the back. TF card support. You can preload movies or music on a microSD and play without internet. 5.8 gigahertz Wi-Fi plus Bluetooth 5.3. Translation: this thing is stupid fast and doesn't lag. Plug and play. No setup drama. I literally plugged it in and was watching YouTube in under 60 seconds. Picture this. It's a Saturday afternoon, you're picking someone up from the airport. Flight's delayed, you're parked in the waiting lot. Normally, you're scrolling TikTok on your phone with 3% battery left. But with this box, I popped open Netflix right from my car screen. Killed 40 minutes catching up on a show like it was nothing. And when they got in, Bluetooth auto-connected, maps opened, music started playing. No tapping, no setup. Pros: actually works out of the box. Makes your car feel way newer. Built-in video apps are awesome. Wireless everything. Finally, fast, no lag, even in summer heat. Cons: no app downloads. You're stuck with Netflix, YouTube, plus TF card. Doesn't work with BMW or Tesla for now. If you're tired of dealing with cables, or just want to turn your car into a little entertainment hub, I linked it below. Honestly, I didn't expect much, but this little gadget made a huge difference. Great for road trips, Uber drivers, families, or just anyone who wants their old car to feel brand new.